at the salt mills, and this is always fascinating by it. And stopped the last time I was up here. Look how old that is. It's like time just froze and it just stayed here, and that was it. It's so cool. Rusted beyond belief. It's just there on the side of the road. Modern classic. Classic. Even the bumblebee car, as I call it. Like, even the beetle, like. It's mad. It's just like time froze and just stayed there and rusted away. 1968. I don't know what else. I don't know what that's for. Next to that one over there. Easy. I thought there was something over there before, but maybe it's gone. I thought there was some older trucks and stuff like that over there as well. But it's only like a scene area or something. Maybe it's rusted from the salt in the sea. From the sea, maybe. I don't know. No. Still pretty cool anyway. Then you have the old water pump over there as well. Have a look over here, see if there's anything else. I don't think anyone lives here. It's like time forgot, huh? Everything is rusted to pieces. It works. This area itself really fascinates me. Like I said, it's like it was frozen in time. And even down around here, and you'll see the Portlàirge as well, which I have another video for that anyway, so I'll link it up here, the Portlàirge. But I'm going to go down anyway and see if the tide is in. So we're back across this side now, so we're going to stop and have a bit of lunch. Lovely flowers here and stuff. Nice place to chill out. Cool little rocks. Little place in out of the weather. The weather is not so great. I think this is a sea, like we take some, leave some, never stop growing. That's cool. I really like that idea. And you have all the different pieces stick that are kind of like bones of fish, I would guess. It's just a beautiful place. Nice and quiet. So, let's have some lunch. A bit muddy. Wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. How often do you get to do this? Wow. This is awesome. Sludgy? Sludgy. Oh my gosh, this is just huge. Oh my god. I love this stuff. This is Waterford history here. Huge piece of Waterford history. Portlàirge ourselves. It's slippery over there. I could have walked over there instead of all the way down. So look, much for muchness. This is awesome. Wow. Unreal. It's crazy, isn't it? When you think of it. That's where the anchor is about. Anchor as well goes down. This one anyway. Look at that. Well, that's it from today's video. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you do like the video, give it a like. And if you want to follow my journey, subscribe as well. And you can follow along the adventures I do, journeys, all the progression I make in different ways on video editing, everything like that. You can see my videos from 1 to now, and I've had a huge difference, huge improvement as well. And obviously on the bikes as well. But this kind of stuff is just unreal to see, and these are what my journeys are about, finding different places that I enjoy, and I hope you enjoy as well, and recommendations for you to come down anywhere, and just comment on the videos and I'll let you know where these places are, or you'll see it anyway. I'll have the names on the videos and everything like that as well. Yeah, the Saltmills, I had to come down again. This time the tide was out, so I got to be under this magnificent boat. It's really, really cool. I can't put into words how good it is to be standing here beside this boat. Come down here, look for St. Cairns Rowing Club, and you'll find it no problem at all. Stick it in your Google Maps or whatever you use. And yeah, until next time, from a sunny Saltmills, they shall rebel out.